Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see, these friends, this is the fantastic 3D logo designer. So I'm gonna here just to show you how this is easy to do. So I'm gonna here now starting. So get ready for this time. So first of all, I need it to a little bit smaller here. And I needed to corner side. So what can I do now? Right now I need a first of all the ellipse tool. Go here straight and press something for here. You see ellipse tool. Yes. Now I click here. I need to now just do 50 and same here till 50. So okay. And need another here 120 and here also 120. So right here. Okay. So what can I do? I need to now go to the here align. I need to align here and go to the vertical align center. Okay. Already done. So what can I do? I need to now just go to the again here and go select the rectangle tool and I need it first to go select here, it goes through here, keep here, and select all the things, and go to the which one here, minus, go to the pathfinder, and go to the minus. Okay, you see how is magic. So I need to now just to select this one and go to the transform and reflect all the things and copy. You, as you see here, my screen, you need must be conformably, not a horizontal, just a vertical, and 90%, 90 degree, and a preview and a copy. You see, it's a magic. So I need to now start this one. So I need to now set here. I need to set here. Okay. Exactly. You needed to put here exactly. Otherwise it cannot do. So again I need to go to the here. Go and go reflect and same. So this what can I see? I need it again here. Put it here. Just here and keep here. Now I need to just this one to delay all the things and go again here rectangle tool and go here just from here and keep all the things here and I need it now this exactly done. Yes, I need to delete this one and again I need to go to here. What should I do? I need to now just copy by pressing over and keep here and go to the rotate this one is shipping by pressing shift and go here, put here exactly, put here exactly. And if we confuse, just figure this one and you see it does not a good match. So what should I do? I go here, I go here and go here straight. You see how it's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna here just set it for there. Now, okay, it's fine. So I need to know again here, go to here, direct selection, and select this one, and go to the which one? Product finder, and go to the minus. You see how it's happening. This is all magic. So I need to go to the select all things, and you need all the things. So okay, that's fine. And I need to now just to go straight here, and I need 120. Oh my god, what's happening is there? I need 20, 120. I go here, I do 20, and see what's happening. So I need it now. No, nothing like that. Vestibular, sorry for that. I need it now. Straight to get here. Sorry, not for that. I need it now. Again, ellipse tool, and go here. Just one thing near here, and go straight here. Put it here. This exactly put it, and by pressing Shift key, set here in the center, and select all the things, and go to the or divide all the things. Okay, so I need again direct selection, and this one delete. Okay, that's fine, fantastic. So right here, you see, what can I see? What can I do? Now, just select this one and ungroup all the things. And I need it now just to change the color. Go to the here, and okay. So I'm here also, and go to the street. You see, this is gradient color. So friends, if you do not know about the gradient tools, I will show you how to use and how to make up or how to uh, create the gradient. What is the gradient? I will do it in the next video. So right here, you see, it's happened. So I need to now select this one and get okay right here. I already group by pressing Ctrl G. It's group. Now all the group, you see, now all the groups, same group. So I need to go here also, rectangle tool. So here, 2020. Okay, so I need it now this one. Go straight and put it this one. I need it to put it here. Straight. Okay, so I need to now select all the things and go to the which one? I need to go to the right, or I need to go to the here, rotate tool, and by pressing Alt and just click here. You see, as you can see, friend, you must need to know about it. You need to select a preview, copy the 90%. Okay, you see? Oh my god. Now just copy all the things. Control by D. You see? Oh my god. This is the magic. You can't think about it. This is the magic. You see? This is all the magic. Just I need to know grab all the things. Same what it is. All the same. You see, as you can see, this and that one. All are same. No difference about these two things. No difference. You see? Same. So I need to now delete one and I need to keep this one. So dear friends and dear followers, subscribers, thanks to watch